Guys, and welcome back. Today I'm going to be talking about both match week 5 and 6. Sorry for the delay. We had some technical difficulties. But these 2 weeks are probably the most important weeks for the top teams. So let's begin. So I'll be talking about the important matches. So I'll start with the Merseyside Derby. Everton and Liverpool drew, which was a pretty decent, as I predicted it would be a draw, but I felt Everton should have gotten a red card for Pickford's foul on Van Dijk, which costed Van Dijk to be out for the whole entire season almost, and also that they played really violently, and 2 offsides weren't given, which I felt was not right. I think VAR should have done better, because even despite losing Van Dijk in the last minute, Liverpool scored a goal, but for no reason it was ruled out because it was offside. So the second game was Chelsea-Southampton. Again, a 3-3 draw for Chelsea, but this time Chelsea were leading 3-1, and then in the last few moments they lost, which I felt was really disappointing. Man City Arsenal was a slightly boring game, since I felt that Man City played decent and Arsenal also played very well. Only 1 goal was scored between them. That was really early in the game also, so it wasn't much. Tottenham West Ham was another game which was really interesting, a 3-3 draw, as West Ham came back in in just 10 minutes. 2 goals and were there before stoppage time, and also a beautiful goal by Lanzini which hit the crossbar, and that game was the debut for Gareth Bale. Well, he did get an opportunity to score, but then he didn't. The other game was Leicester and Aston Villa. It's pretty surprising to see Aston Villa winning like this, but they did it in the very last minute also, and Leicester did have quite a few opportunities, but they didn't utilize it properly. Leeds Wolves, again a 1-0 victory for Wolves. I felt both of them played really well. 1 goal was disallowed, I think, and overall was a pretty fair game. Wolves were lucky enough to score a goal. So these are the games that happened in match week 6 that I felt were really interesting. First, Aston Villa lose at home to Leeds 3-0, 3 beautiful goals by Patrick Bamford. But Aston Villa did play really well. They got quite a few opportunities, but the goalkeeper Ilyan Meslier was really good. West Ham, Man City, another disappointment for Man City, as they couldn't get 3 points and they lost out. But West Ham played really well. Antonio scored a beautiful overhead kick, but then Phil Foden came as a super sub and scored really quickly as he came. Man United Chelsea was very disappointed. Again, VAR made a really bad error, and they didn't even check the penalty possibility, which I certainly felt was a penalty, because Maguire was literally choking the player and also put him down inside the D. But overall their defense was really good, but their attack wasn't as great as we expected. Liverpool Sheffield was another game that was close, but Sheffield scored, which again I felt wasn't a penalty, because the foul was clearly outside the box, and for it to be a foul itself was not right. But Liverpool came from behind. Roberto Firmino and Salah scored. Overall, very good performance from Liverpool. Fabinho played really well. Unfortunately, he won't be playing the match week 7th, as he picked up a hamstring injury against Midtjylland in the Champions League. Southampton Everton was a really interesting game. Everton have been doing really well so far, and to see them lose to Southampton, that was really surprising. I cannot say much. Everton didn't have chances. Also, that Richarlison was not there because he got a red card. But overall, I felt Southampton played really well. Another 1-0 victory. Leicester played really well, last minute goal, but I felt Arsenal was a better team as they took a lot more shots, and also that they were slightly unlucky also. So my predictions for some games in match week 7, the first big game that's happening would be Sheffield and Man City. I feel this game could be close. I feel Man City haven't been at their best, but Laporte and De Bruyne should be back, and I think this will be a win for Man City. The second game is West Ham and Liverpool. I feel West Ham have played really well, but Liverpool are pretty strong, but I feel that Liverpool have lost Fabinho also, which is not their centre back also. So I think Rice Williams will get a chance to debut, start for Liverpool, and I think Phillips will be a sub. Hopefully it'll go their way. I think Liverpool, it'll be a close match, but I think Liverpool will win by a goal or two. The other match, which is a really big match, is Man United versus Arsenal. This match is really good, but since they have a long rivalry, but I feel Arsenal should easily be able to win this. Man United again haven't been in their best form. They're not even in the top 10 so far. But I feel Arsenal should win this by a goal, if not more. The other game is Leeds and Leicester. This is going to be an interesting game because Leeds have performed really well so far, and so have Leicester. They've lost only 2. I think this is going to be a close game, so I'm predicting this to be a draw, or Leicester might just win by maximum a goal. So if you guys enjoyed the video, please subscribe and wait for more new videos like this.